It's a good day today at DUT. Uphethe mina uSiyabonga Masibuka, the chairperson of the MENCAV. Ngiphethe one of the students at DUT. I'm just going to ask a few questions. Yeah. Sawubona unjani? Uba igama?
Luziphezile kaMkwena.
Ukhuluma noEsitho Mpanza.
Amahlo kaButhelezi. Sibalisa uShozi.
Usiyabonga ke mina. Ngikwazi ukubuza ukuthi ngoba ulana ucabanga ukuthi MENCAV engani?
Njengamanje ngibona ukuthi izosiza la ukuthi si-express sibone ukuthi obani mhlawumbe abantu abanenkinga no-rooms ababo umuntu ugcine nini ukwenza into enhle nje empilweni yakhe like ukulekelela abanye abantu.
From what I've seen, it's an organization that mostly just focuses on mental health and mostly men's mental health.
Yes.
MENCAV is so cool because they help support men and students. Like even if we're not men, I'm a girl, but I'm here. I'm getting free goodies. I was like sad and upset because of my test this morning. MENCAV helps boys or young men be good gentlemen people in the community.
MENCAV organization ebhekelela ukuhlaliseka mhlawumbe nokukhuliseka komuntu masingachaza English mhlawumbe we are looking after maintenance njalo mental health nokuthi kudile ne-leadership sometimes because khona nama-initiatives or campaigns run ubhuti uzakhela leadership training, then kube khona nama-initiatives abawenzayo bring your friend like Saturday kahle sidila nokuphatheka kahle komfundi in terms of ingqondo yakhe ukuthi ibe right ukuze abe sespace esi-right sokufunda.
#the MENCAV, please follow.
#the MENCAV.
Hashtag follow the MENCAV Foundation.
Yes.
Bye.
Thank you very much. I hope to see you again. Apply.